In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ACOS function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to a worksheet where you want to work with your values. The ACOS function is used to return the inverse cosine, also called the arccos, of a number. In simple terms, if you already know a cosine value and want to find the angle that produced it, ACOS is the function you need. It's important to understand what kind of result Excel gives you. ACOS returns an angle in radians, not degrees. That result will always fall between 0 and pi. This makes the function especially useful in math, engineering, physics, and trigonometry, where angle calculations are common. The syntax is very simple, equals ACOS, followed by a number in parentheses. So it looks like this, equals ACOS, open parenthesis number, close parenthesis. The number you enter must be between -1 and 1, including both endpoints. If you use a value outside that range, Excel will return a number error. That's a helpful thing to remember if your formula doesn't work the first time. Now let's look at a basic example. If you want to find the inverse cosine of 0.5, type equals ACOS, open parenthesis, 0.5, close parenthesis. Excel returns 1,047,198. That answer is in radians. If you want the result in degrees instead, you can wrap the ACOS function inside the degrees function. Enter equals degrees, open parenthesis, ACOS open parenthesis, 0.5, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This returns 60, which may be more familiar and easier to interpret. You can also use cell references instead of typing the value directly into the formula. For example, if cell A2 contains 0.866025, enter equals ACOS, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, to get the angle in radians. If you want degrees, use equals degrees, open parenthesis, ACOS, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. The same idea works for other cells too. If your cosine value is stored in B2, type equals degrees, open parenthesis, ACOS open parenthesis B2, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Excel will convert that cosine value into its corresponding angle in degrees. Here are a few common cosine values worth knowing. A value of 1 returns degrees. 0.6625 returns 30 degrees. 0.707107 returns 45 degrees. 0.5 returns 60 degrees. 0 returns 90 degrees. And -1 returns 180 degrees. That's how to use the ACOS function in Excel. As a final tip, always double-check that your input value is within the valid range, and decide whether you want your answer in radians or degrees before using the result.